Hi guys, so it's another beautiful morning here in the Philippines, and right now we're on the way to Valle Hermoso. We're gonna pick up the parts of our van we need to replace, and after that we're gonna go to the shop so that they can replace that what is that,
CB axle assembly.
CB axle assembly. Yeah, we need to replace that, two of them. Finally it arrives here in Negros after a week.
Yeah, like a week.
Yeah, because we ordered that in Davao, Mindanao.
Yeah, what's funny about it, one day to Cebu and 3 days from Cebu to Colo.
Yeah, that's the way it is. And it's just a surplus, not a brand new. So hopefully it fits on our van.
Pretty sure it will.
Because we have this strange noise now when we turn, have that big sounds at the bottom. So right now we are here in the dirt road, as you can see. So lots of sugarcane field. So it's Wednesday morning here. It's almost 10 a.m.
This is Wednesday.
Huh?
I thought it was Tuesday.
No, it's Wednesday. My husband thought it's Tuesday, but it's Wednesday today. In US, it's Tuesday.
Yeah.
So Virgil is in the school, and I'm gonna go there lunchtime. I'm gonna bring his lunch foods. So hopefully it won't take long to fix the axle. So it's been raining hard last night also here. That's why the ground is wet, and it still have some water on it there.
Rain last night.
Yeah, heavy rain last night.
At least it didn't snow.
Yeah. It's another sunny day. Sunshine, another solar day for us.
Yeah, we're running full solar since 5:30 a.m.
Yeah. We're running full solar since 5:30 in the morning.
Can't wait to get the new inverter that way. I don't have to remember to switch over and on.
Yeah, by next month, first week of next month, we're gonna buy the inverter, the new one. I really do appreciate all of you for watching my videos and for your generosity. I really do appreciate. We really do appreciate it.
How long our inverter's going to last. It's been running 24/7 for 3 years, over 3 years.
It's been 3 years now, that old inverter.
Yeah.
Talking to my husband here.
Running 24/7. 7 days a week, 24 hours a day.
Yeah, we're not gonna sell the old inverter. We're gonna keep it for the emergency.
Yes.
It's really rough, this road here. Look at that. That's a big hole here.
And you know, they got a blade for the tractor, and they can actually, it's pretty decent equipment.
Oops. I know. That's why we're not going all the time every day, because it damaged our vehicle, and also it worn out our tire, the tire of our van.
Plus it costs a lot more gasoline on this road.
Yeah, it takes also a lot of gasoline on this road because it's been rough, and we've been my husband been driving so very slow.
Costs more to travel this road here than it does to go to San Carlos.
Yeah.
The highway.
So bouncy. How much you think is the labor cost?
They probably charge us $5.
Or 2,000?
It's not that big a job.
Is it easy to take out?
Should be.
To pull out? Yeah, it pull out.
The one on your side is probably the hardest.
Why?
It was tough for them to put it back in when they put the lift kit on.
So next week, Virgil will have a mini vacation. Whole week they don't have class because of the election, barangay election, and also the All Souls Day and All Saints Day. They have that mini vacation, 1 week mini vacation. This week they have some exam, so they have some first quarter test. This I think it started today, Wednesday, until Friday.
Well, how bad is he going to do?
I told him that you can use my phone if you got a passing score. But you know, Virgil have a hard time Tagalog language, have a difficult to understand Tagalog.
That's why nobody speaks it around here.
Yeah, because we speak English and Bisaya.
Yeah.
So we have some difficult time on Filipino subject, Tagalog, and some also AP. I'm shocked that the driver, the rider, Ninja Van, message you.
I don't know.
I think they gonna dig some gold. that small creek there. They gonna dig some gold. We're gonna stop because there's a tractor coming and
No, it's an excavator.
excavator. Sorry, it's excavator.
Yeah, mini excavator.
There's no space for both of us. It's a big one.
It's small.
Small one.
Yeah. That's what I call small.
We're almost there in the highway.
You'd be amazed some of the equipment I've operated. make it look like a toy.
What?
I said the equipment I've operated in the past make that
Make much bigger, right?
it'll make that one look like a toy.
Is it easy to drive or hard?
I thought it was easy.
So I'll see you guys later. So let's see what we're gonna do for the rest of this day. I'm gonna try to do some videos there on the shop when they're replaced. They're basing on it, and stay tuned. And we are here right now at the shop, and we already pick up the parts. And what happened, Daddy? The bolt? Is that the bolt? What happened to the bolt?
Boot, it got split.
Yeah, the bolt is it got split. Then that guy will gonna send the brand new boat. So they are working right now in our van. So this is the one we got. This one here. So the other boat is bad, so but you can put a new one on that. So they are here working. They're gonna pull out the old one, then they're gonna replace that new one. This shop over here is just about 15 minutes from our place. It's we like the mechanic here because they do the work correctly and they also listen to you. So right now this is the helper of the mechanic. The mechanic right now is not here. He's in San Carlos, but he'll be here soon. So this is his helper here, and he's doing good also. He's all the time do our repair in our van. He's the one who work it, and he's really good on repairing our van. So they're gonna pull out the old part, then they're gonna replace the new one. So it's lots of vehicles here. So there's the one in the bottom needs to replace. Mau na siya ilisan, no? Ano? Ito. So this part here is the one who needs to replace this part here. That one needs to replace. So we bought the two set so that we can replace both sides.
Yeah, when you reassemble. Thank you.
What? Put a grease.
Why is that his part? I want to grease those brake pins again.
Yeah,
So they won't rattle.
Yeah, need to grease the pin so that it won't rattle. When he pull out that one. Hi guys, so we're still here. It's already almost 2:30 in the afternoon but still not finished. But the other side is already finished. So they're working now. The other side, the right side, and my side. So this step. So they're working on this side right now. So this is what they're doing. Still doing on it. So over here in the shop right now, they're so busy. There's some workers there. Filipino style shop. It's my husband there. Are you okay? Mm-hmm.
Yeah, you could probably use
You okay?
tire
I think
wire.
he's tire wire.
Yeah.
Wala kay alambre dong.
Hindi na natagtag kuan.
Itong tire wire ba?
May cable.
Tire cable, right?
Yeah, tire wire.
Tire wire katong murag alambre ba? Itong gagmay.
May wire.
Yeah, tire wire. It won't go nowhere because you got the big one on there. That keeps it from turning, so tire wire will be fine.
Wala mo yung tire wire diri.
Lambre.
You got some behind you there.
Yes.
Yeah, tire wire. Double it.
Is that okay?
Yeah,
Okay.
them double.
Double lang siya kuan. Is it fine? It won't stuck up inside.
In fact, that's 4 o'clock.
Yeah, but I want to make sure ba.
Hey, this is, hold that rubber in place.
You need to tie it with the tire wire.
There you go.
Hindi na sa kuan. May cable ko tong dagko.
Asa man? Namo.
May baligya dito.
They have also, maybe we just use tire cable. Tie cable. They have there for sale.
Where?
There in the store. Pwede na ikam kuan. Adto. He's the one who buy.
Pero ko katong dako pa.
I gave him some money. Pila na dong?
Insim man dako.
Doon ba? So that's the mechanic. He just arrived. So he's talking right now to my husband.
Problem. Because this one it will defeat your simple. We have to remove this one.
Yeah.
Taylor na sa gina. No. Tangtang ra. Tangtang ra.
It's already done this time.
Sabi na mo unay.
He has been busy also. So
That's the old.
he just now come here. So the other worker is buying some wire, cable wire to tie that one.
Hollow tester with that collar. It picks up on it. When it passes by, the hollow tester makes a pulse.
That you know that Toyota Sequoia, that problem, that one
So my husband right now is been helping him because you know my husband is a mechanic also before in US, and he's been helping him. Some of these vehicles here, they got some problems, and my husband is trying to help him. What's the cost on that? He's been helping him since before when he needs some help, like ordering some parts of the vehicles. My husband been trying to help him.
It's not sliding because when it's cold it gets tight. When it warms up, it gets
So I'm just so lucky that my husband knows everything. I always depend on him. Most of the time, I always depend on him. He spoiled me all the time. So they have a nice place here because as you can see they have lots of trees, that some shades, but the only problem here when it rains they don't have a shelter, just an open space.
And also the stability control, you know, the vehicle is flattened. Yes, control.
Pwede rin na. Just bought that. That's what he bought. Zip tight di ay.
Usually the red.
Namta may daghan di on. Nami daghan sa moynahan. Zip tight.
That's normal.
He just used that one zip
It's rare
tight.
for one of the front ones.
We have that a lot there in the house.
Possible always in the rear side.
Yeah, normally the rear, because that's where all the debris goes. All the dirt.
All the dirt.
Yeah.
Go inside.
And usually it's the passenger side, because that's where most of the dirt. That's where most of the dirt is. But they should be interchangeable from right to left.
So hopefully it will be finished soon because we're not having some lunch yet. I know that my husband is hungry, but I give him some crackers.
It's possible, highly unlikely. They've got that down to an art. Anything with Japanese.
Walking. So this is what Philippine doing here in the shop. They just do it manually. I just want to show you how they do it here in the Philippines.
Doesn't do that anymore since I said you could. Because I knew what was going on. The solenoid wasn't sliding. It just stuck up. I know when you turn the key off, it was de-energized, so it would try to withdraw. Turn the key on and you get up to speed. And build it. Have you put the transmission pan on?
Not yet.
So they're gonna start
Well,
putting
that'll tell
it
you a
back
lot.
there.
Put that power. It should have a magnet in it. Check that magnet. Mine's got two in it. And it was any wheels too.
Wala spark plug sa akin.
You put some grease on it.
Wala ra mo kan gear oil. Panglaong.
Hi guys, so finally it's finished. There's a vehicle at the back, we have to be careful.
No, I think I got
And
the
it's 4:30 in the afternoon. Careful. It's finally finished, guys. It
on the phone, not worrying
it-
about getting out of the way.
yeah, it takes whole day to repair this axe hole. They have a difficult time in the other side because they not
The ball joint is
yeah, the ball joint is not
it's
What?
so close.
yeah, it's so close to each other, but it's hard for them to put it correctly, right?
Yeah.
So right now we're on the way to La Playa because we are hungry, starved to death. Or just eat here because while going back home we're not our food is still frozen, so we're just eat here in La Playa restaurant in Vallehermoso.
I could add beans.
Still froze. The beans still froze.
It'll take 30 minutes. Heat up.
You want to eat? You want to go? So we have careful. So they're not looking the other side. Looks like it's busy this afternoon. It's like the beach is busy this afternoon. And we are entering here in La Playa de Valle. High tide or low tide? Looks like it's...
Check his out.
Oh, there's no sounds now, strange sounds when you turn. So it's quiet now, guys. When we turn, it's quiet now. Before, it's very noisy.
Yeah, pop, 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 pop.
Yeah. And Virgil is here too at the back.
Like that before.
Yep, you're right, Virgil.
Where did you put that same here? I put it.
I haven't put it nowhere.
I thought I put it here, but I don't see it.
Virgil probably got it.
Let's go out. It's here, there at the back. Gonna order some foods. Oh, it's nice. Look at that. Very nice, baby.
Yes. Maybe so.
Looks like I'm gonna look at that. Very nice ocean view. I'm gonna order some foods. Look at that. I'm gonna stop my video because they have this music so loud here. So we're already ordered our foods, but and then we're still waiting on it. So it's low tide this time, as you can see. Nice afternoon here. Virgil is over there. Very nice. We're all hungry. Let's walk closer to the beach, to the water. Oh, you hear that wave? It's nice, Verge. I'm gonna do some picture here also. Oh, look at this wave. Virgil, don't close, Langga. Virgil, don't close her. Don't throw it. Throw it. It's pounding. Look at that. It float, Langga. Look.
It will go to Cebu. Oh.
Nice. Very nice. Like. Look at the sunset. Get some white stones lang nga. We're gonna put it in our flower vase. George is still wearing his uniform. So it's very nice here to have some quality time with your family, especially in the afternoon here, because it's not so hot. And also over there, they're selling some barbecue, grilled barbecue, pork barbecue, some chicken, and some liver, chicken liver. They sell it in affordable price, so you can eat here with your family and enjoying this ocean view. Why is that? What did you write? I love you. Virgil is enjoying playing the sand. Need to wash your hands, huh? Because you're gonna eat. So I'm still here near in the ocean, because over there in the restaurant their music is so loud I cannot do some video there. And also the friend of my husband is there. He live in San Carlos. He just visit here to go swimming, and we are friend of his wife too. His wife and his daughter not go with him. He's just alone. So right now they're talking with my husband over there. It's going to be high tide soon. It's really nice here.
Look, Mom. It is our flower pool.
No. He's enjoying playing there. What is that?
So
Wow, that's so nice.
clear ba?
Yeah. Shiny. So I think that's all for today, guys. So I really do appreciate all of you watching my videos and for subscribing my YouTube channel. If you are new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Thank you so much again for watching. Thank you so much for the love and generosity. And I'll see you all on my next video. So, bye for now, guys. God bless us all.